The equity or the appreciation of your home is the difference between what it can sell for or what it's appraised at to the amount owing on the property or your remaining mortgage. So, for simple answers and numbers, let's say you own a house that's worth $1 million if you sold it today, and you owe $500,000 on it. That means you have $500,000 in equity there. Now, banks on a first charge mortgage will only loan up to an 80% value. So to use that same analogy, let's say you had $1 million house, you owed 500, and they would loan up to an 80% value. So that would be an $800,000 mortgage. That would mean you have $300,000 of usable equity in your house. $300,000 sitting in your house is great. It means if you sold today, you'd have that money. But if you're not planning on selling, you're not going anywhere, it's just sitting there, and there's ways to use it. I was out for lunch today with a client of mine, and he just bought a pre-construction unit, and we were discussing about the appreciation in what he bought it for 4 years ago and to what it's worth now today when he's closing on it, and if he should refinance it and increase that mortgage. And I had this exact same conversation with him. What is the equity good use in your investment property? Now, the conversation is similar, but it is different because your primary residence and an investment property are different for tax purposes and mortgage pay down principles and everything like that. But the concept is still the same. The money sitting there should be used for something better than just sitting inside this house. Let's take it out and let's do something. So